Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create RAR and zip archives by packing your files into these extensions. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our RAR app, which we've shown how to download in our other video, and this will work normally on your Nokia G21. So here find the files that you want to pack, and mine are located in DCIM and then camera. Here I'm gonna select 3 of the files. You can of course do it with any amount of files and any other files. Now let's press on this plus button in order to start archiving. Here we'll be able to customize our archiving options, and the first thing is to choose the name for this archive, and for me it's gonna be pictures.rar. I'm gonna choose RAR extension. You can go with zip or RAR 4.x. You can also set up password, but you don't need to. I'm gonna do it. If you're not sure that you typed it in correctly, click on show password, and you can also enable to encrypt the file names. Click OK to save that, and you can also enable or disable to delete files after archiving or create solid archives. You can move to advanced in order to see advanced settings, and in the options you can get even more options. Now if we go to the comments, you can leave any comment about this archive, and after everything is set, click OK, and that way you will pack these 3 pictures into a pictures.rar. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.